guys, and welcome back. My name is Nadia and I do makeup and stuff. So in today's video we are doing a followers choose my makeup type of a video. A couple of days on my Instagram I put up polls with different products, also different like makeup techniques for you guys to pick from, and based on the results of all of that, I'm going to be creating a makeup look. Thank you to everybody that participated, especially the guys. There were like quite a lot of guys that participated, which I find is cool. Some of the stuff I knew, because I just know my people. I knew what they were going to choose, but some of them were a bit unexpected. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for all the notifications of when I upload. Also give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and let's get started. So starting off, we're going to start off with the brows. The two options was like the normal Insta brow, and then the other one was the fluffy brow. Now I put the fluffy brow there because I do want to try it again. However, okay, let me break it down. It's not that I don't like the fluffy brow. I think it looks nice. I really do think it looks nice, but on myself it just looks weird, and I feel like it's one of those trends that look better in pictures than in person, because when I do it in person it looks like very like stuck onto my face, and I'm just like no. So the one that won was the Insta brow by about 56%, which I was grateful for. I was like, at least I won't have to do the fluffy brow today. I'll try it another day, just not today. I'm going to be doing my brows as I generally would with the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in darkest blackest brown. Okay, so the brows are done and I primed my lid, so we can move on to eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I think this was the most unanimous voting, like it was skewed more towards the one side. For the two palettes I put was the Dupe Factory 35p palette, which has neutrals and a lot of purples, and then the other one was the Swiitch Beauty Unicorn Sauce palette, which was the colorful one. And now this is where I say I know my people, because I knew any palette against the colorful palette was going to win. So 61% of you guys chose the Unicorn Sauce palette, which is this one over here. So now what to do for eyeshadow? You know what, I think you guys think y'all know me, and with a palette like this I'm gonna go for pink, or I'm gonna go for purple, I'm gonna go for blue or orange, but no, today I'm gonna do a green look. Lord help me, but I am going to do a green look today. So let's start. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with this green shade over here, and I'm gonna just pack that in my crease. I don't think I've ever put green eyeshadow on in my life, so hopefully I don't look crazy, but we'll see what happens. Okay, then next I'm gonna take this, it's like a greenish turquoisey type of shade, and I'm just gonna put that slightly above that other shade, the darker shade, just to kind of blow out that color and blend that shade so it's not so harsh. Then taking this lightest green and blending out right at the end. Okay, so the greens are all on. I honestly didn't expect it to be this pigmented and this dark of a green, but anyway, I'm going to take some concealer and cut my crease and hopefully save whatever I'm doing here, because I'm not used to using this color and I don't know, it's just looking a bit crazy. Okay, so my crease is cut. I'm gonna take that dark green again and pack that on the outer skirts of my eye. Okay, then taking that matte green, the lighter one, I'm putting that next to it. Okay, then I'm taking this flat brush and I'm going to take this metallic green shade and I'm going to pack that on the lid. Ooh, this is pretty. This metallic is so pretty. That metallic, shimmer. It's a shimmer shade. Okay, so that's the eye so long. I don't think it looks too bad. I don't know, we'll see. Onto skin, it is primer. I didn't put a primer. Let me just put on primer. So now for foundation, the two that I put was the Yardley Superstay, this one, and the Revlon Candid, which is this one. I didn't want it to really go either way. I like them both. They're kind of on the same level for me. It's just that because I haven't been going outside, none of my foundations are my shade. They are all dark, all of them. So the results were that 58% of you guys picked the Candid, and I really like this foundation. The only thing I do not like about this foundation is the size that is 22 mils and not 30, because it just gets finished quite quickly. But other than that, I like the foundation. So foundation is on. This formula of this foundation is just so nice. Moving on to concealer, the two I put was the L'Oreal Infallible one and then the Essence Camafluage one. This one was also quite close as people were like voting. It wasn't skewing to one side or the other side. It was kind of 50-50 for a while, but the one that won was the Essence Camouflage Concealer. Now I really like this concealer. It's just that it's quite like my tone, so it's not really the most highlighting shade right now. Okay, so concealer is on. What's next? It is contouring. Now for my poll, I put a cream contour and a powder contour. I don't really care for either. No, I'm lying. Actually, powder contour more just because I'm lazy. Cream contour because you have to kind of blend it and make sure it's blend out. But I will say, I do find that my makeup looks better or looks like more glam with a cream contour. So yeah, the results of that was that 53% of you guys said cream contour. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so my makeup is actually turning out kind of nice. I'm just gonna set my under eye and then bronze my face, and then I'll be back for, what am I doing? Highlighter? I think highlighter. Actually, before I put on my highlighter, I should do my under eye so I can wipe this powder off. So I'm just going in with the darker green. I'm putting that on my lower lash line. I'm not gonna even lie, this eye look is such a drastic detour from what I'm used to and what I generally would do. I always try and just try different stuff, especially on my channel, because I don't want y'all watching like the same thing over and over and me saying the same thing. Like, I want it to be a little bit different and go outside of my comfort zone. Sometimes, not always, just sometimes. So I just sprayed my face with some rose water to soak up all of the powders. But for highlight, what options did I have? Oh, I had the Wet n Wild, the Megaglow highlighting, the loose powder, and then I had the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome highlighter, and I actually thought I knew what my people was going to choose, but then y'all surprised me. So the results were that the Wet n Wild one won by 57%, and I really thought the Maybelline one was going to win because I feel like you could see the type of highlighter better. Okay, I'm going to just use a fan brush, and I'm not even taking out of the main part of the container because it's just way too much and it starts flying everywhere. So this is just the lid and what was there when I opened it. So I'm going to take some of that on a fan brush, and I'm just gonna, I actually think the Maybelline one would have looked a bit better because it's more of a golden undertone of with the highlighter, but this doesn't look bad. Okay, so I'm gonna just go off camera and pop on some liner and some lashes, and then I'll be back for mascara and I think lips. So for mascara, I only have two, and those are the two I put obviously on the poll, which is the Maybelline Rocket Mascara and the Revlon Volumizing Mascara. This one is also quite neck and neck, and the one that won was the Maybelline one, which is this one. I like this mascara. I'm just not a fan of this type of a wand. It's just very pokey when you get like too close to the like lash line, but the mascara is actually very nice. Okay, so now lastly is lips, and this is where I was like excited, and I'm like, my people, they know me, you know. And then it like took a turn. So for the lips, I put nudes versus vampy, and 31% of you said vampy and 69%, oh, I was lying, so this was the unanimous one. 69% of you said nudes, and I was like, yes, you know what I mean. I was like, oh, I was so happy, because, and I've noticed that I do wear vampy shades, I just don't do tutorials with them, which I'm gonna try and start doing. But anyway, so moving on to the finish of it. Now obviously, hi, if you watch my channel, I only do glossy lip gloss. So I was like, yeah, people they're gonna choose gloss is trendy, whatever. And so it was gloss versus matte, and then the results were that 58% of you guys chose matte, and I was like, huh, but why? We were doing so well, everything was going so well, why? So for lipstick, the only matte lipsticks I have is the Swiitch Beauty Ultimatte palette. That's what it looks like. It has a bunch of shades. Wow, it's so hot that this thing is like melting. Oops. I'm gonna use, I'm not sure which shade, I'm just gonna play around, and then afterwards I'll tell you which shade I put on, or that I mixed. I'm also just gonna add a brown lip liner. Okay, I'm back, and this is the final look. I think it looks so nice. So I used which shades? I think I used this shade over here, and then I used this orange shade just so that there's like more of a orangey undertone to the lip. I'm really happy with how it came out. I think the green looks very nice. It's unlike me, these lashes though. I love how I keep on wearing them even though they are so dramatic. The lip, I like it a lot. It's I don't know, it just looks nice with the look. Everything just looks nice, because I know I have not uploaded in a couple of days, and it's not because I didn't want to. I've been trying to film, and then I was like PMSing, and I was just like, ugh, everything just didn't look right and feel pretty, nothing looked nice. And I'm actually very much full of nonsense when it comes to my videos. I'm very particular, so hopefully this makes it onto the channel, which I think it will. But she cute though. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.